this video, I will guide you through a detailed comparison between two of the most popular gig economy platforms, which are Uber Eats and Amazon Flex. With Uber Eats, you are mainly delivering hot meals from local restaurants to customers. This means your day will involve many short trips and frequent stops. One of the biggest advantages of Uber Eats is its extreme flexibility. You can simply open the app and go online whenever you feel like working. However, your earnings are heavily dependent on customer tips and busy mealtimes. On the other hand, Amazon Flex operates on a shift system known as blocks. You sign up for a specific 3 or 4 hour window and head to a massive warehouse to pick up packages. Unlike the food delivery business, Amazon Flex offers a guaranteed base pay for the entire block regardless of how many packages you deliver. This provides a much higher level of financial stability because you know exactly how much you will earn before you even start your car. While Uber Eats allows you to work in 5-minute bursts, Amazon requires a larger time commitment upfront. You also have to consider the physical demand, as Amazon packages can sometimes be quite heavy while food orders are light. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prefer the freedom of Uber or the steady pay of Amazon.